Ever wondered how your takeout can stay fresh and be microwave ready? Meet our eco-friendly, microwave-safe food containers. Perfect for hot meals, our PP plastic bento boxes keep your food warm and ready to eat, anytime, anywhere. From fried chicken to fresh salads, our containers are designed for every meal, making your takeout experience delightful. Just pop it in the microwave. Our containers are not just safe, they're designed for convenience without compromise. Imagine enjoying your favorite ramen, hot and fresh, straight from the microwave. That's the convenience we offer. With various sizes and designs, our containers cater to all your food packaging needs, ensuring quality and sustainability. Oil spill? No problem. Our containers are designed to handle it all, making them the perfect choice for any meal. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Upgrade your takeout experience with our microwave-safe containers today.